What's going on, guys? Brutsu here, bringing you a video on how to grow on YouTube. Now, this is a highly requested video for me. I've found a lot of hidden features on YouTube in the creator dashboard that I did not know existed before. Now that I put them on, my YouTube growth has taken off a little bit here and there. So hopefully these tricks can help you out. And if you're interested, I do live stream on Twitch every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, usually in the afternoons around 5 p.m. Eastern time. So I do play a lot of games like Diablo, Call of Duty. We just recently got into Black Desert Online. I do live how-to all the time for streaming and or YouTube. So you can check me out anytime on YouTube. You can see the links on the screen now. So go ahead and hit me with a follow, stop into the live stream anytime, and let's go ahead and get into these tips and tricks. Okay, so first thing here, you're going to come across your page on YouTube. If you're interested in how to find your page, if you're new to YouTube, up here in the top right-hand corner, you're going to find your icon. You're going to click it and just go to your channel. So you can see here, I have the layout of my channel. I can go over this in a later video, exactly how to get a customized layout on YouTube. There's a ton of ways to go through and set up your YouTube the way you want to. The first thing we're actually going to talk about is how to get these marks over here on your YouTube banner. So I have my Twitter, my Twitch, and my merchandise store set up over here on my YouTube banner. Pretty simple on how to get to it. All you do is just hit the About button on your actual YouTube channel. It's going to take you over here. You just link your accounts. It'll put it up here inside your banner. So that's the first little thing that I did not know beforehand. I've found a lot of tips and tricks using other videos. Before we get any farther into the video, I want to talk a little bit about VidIQ. So VidIQ is a Chrome extension that I found actually yesterday that helps out people on YouTube in general. So you're going to see a lot of VidIQ Chrome extensions inside of my YouTube channel whenever I go through tags and things like that, whenever I look at other people's channels. It's a good way to, it offers up resources for you to grow on YouTube in general. So I highly recommend you download the VidIQ Chrome extension. So we're going to get into the parts where you're going to see the things where the VidIQ actually helps out. So from your actual YouTube channel, you're going to click on your icon up here in the top right-hand corner. You're going to go to YouTube Studio. It's going to take you to a brand new page. It's going to launch your actual channel dashboard. So over here, you're going to see my latest YouTube video. I released a YouTube video last Friday, and the things that I've put onto this channel already, the things that I'm going to show you today are going to help you out a lot. So here on the left side, you're going to see dashboard videos. These are all the videos that I have so far. There's some Fortnite, Call of Duty, Destiny, Diablo. Yeah, there's actually a World's Hottest Chicken Nugget Challenge. We did a lot of stupid things for that one. So over here, you're going to see there's a couple of things. There's VidIQ. That's the Chrome extension that I'm using right now. It just offers up a lot of in-depth analysis on what your videos are doing, what you could do to get your videos to work better. It also lists your competition on what they're doing, things that you can probably work on. But the things that we want to talk about today is actually inside the YouTube dashboard settings. So if you scroll down, you're going to find the settings button. Here you're going to see a couple settings. The general tab, I'm leaving mine as US dollars because I am in the US. Underneath the channel tab, you're going to find basic info, advanced settings, and branding. Here's some things that I didn't know beforehand. You can actually set channel tags. I didn't know you could do that. So inside your channel tags, I listed a bunch of things that's going to be on my YouTube channel, like Diablo, Diablo 4, Diablo Reaper of Souls, first-person shooters, Modern Warfare. There's some Fortnite things in there, Call of Duty, funny moments, things like that, things that your YouTube channel is actually about. It helps the search engine find you better. So it's just like setting tags for your videos. Go ahead and set tags for your channel. So the advanced settings here, you can actually go through and start marking things to save time on uploading a video. So here it says, do you want your channel to set as if it's made for kids? So you can actually check mark it beforehand. Yes, my channel is made for kids. I only upload content made for kids. No, this channel is not made for kids. I never upload content made for kids. I want to review this setting before every video. I do that because there's some videos that I have that should be 18 plus. There's some videos that I have that, I mean, yeah, it could be branded towards kids. It's not really a problem. There's no cursing or anything like that in it. So yeah, I mean, you can set it beforehand. Over here, display the number of people subscribed to my channel. I always have that marked so people can see. You can disable interest-based ads if you want to. So this is just for your target audience here. You can also link your Google Ads account here. So here's a cool feature that I didn't know existed until yesterday. So this is branding for your channel. You can actually set a watermark on your channel for people on desktop to actually use the watermark. So here's the cool thing. I set a subscribe button on my videos so that people don't have to find the subscribe button at all, and they can subscribe anytime just by clicking the video. So you want to find a decent subscribe button. You can make your own. You can find one on Google. It has to be 150 by 150, so 150 wide, 150 high. Set the watermark on your channel. Go ahead and set it for the entire video to give people the option to subscribe to your channel at any time. So we're going to go to default uploads here. So here we have the basic info. I can preset titles for my YouTube videos. I don't ever want to change that ever because all of my titles are going to be different. So I don't exactly want one pre-made. So under description, I can actually set the things that I always have in my description. My description is going to change all the time depending on what kind of video that I'm uploading. But the biggest thing here is that, for instance, to follow me on my live stream, there's the Twitch, Brutu1908 on Twitch, Twitter, Brutu1908 on Twitter, link to my merchandise store, link to a couple of the friends that I play with constantly and their YouTube channels. I also want to set it to visibility is public all the time. I can also preset tags here. So any tags that I use pretty much for every video. So if I'm making, for instance, Diablo 3 Reaper of Souls videos, I can actually set pre-made set tags here that's going to be in every single video. Then I can remove them or add them as I want to whenever I upload a video. So the community thing here, I'm pretty sure is for live streaming. I don't live stream on YouTube. I live stream on Twitch. So yeah, under here, under advanced settings in upload defaults, we're going to go through a couple of these things. You obviously want your standard YouTube license, just like normal for anybody that's uploading a YouTube video. My category is always set for gaming because I only upload gaming videos, except now. Video language is always English. I don't have any closed captions on any of my videos, and I want to make sure that all of my comments are visible. I want people to see the comments, the good and the bad, so it doesn't really matter. Users can view ratings for this video. It doesn't matter to me if they see the ratings for the video or not. So those are a couple things. If you want to see the watermark here, here's one of my previous videos for Season 19 Whirlwind Barbarian 100 degree drift speed builds for Diablo 3. So in the video, you're going to see this watermark down here on the bottom right-hand side. You actually see it on this video. It'll be pretty much right over my face. So you're going to see right here is a little watermark that I can mouse over. It's going to pop up a subscribe button. This is going to increase your subscribers substantially whenever you get viewers. So as more viewers come in, just because it gives them the option to subscribe at any time, they don't have to look for it. It's right there. It's staring them right in the face, so they can subscribe at any time. So to give you an idea of, I've probably gained 10 subscribers easily in the last 24 hours, not even uploading a video, just from having the subscriber mark on my videos. It sets it for every single video. You can remove it if you want to. So it's a good thing to have. It's a really good thing to have. I can't recommend that enough. So let's go ahead and check out, since I do make Diablo 2 and 3 and soon to be 4 videos and I live stream it. Let's check out a couple of my competitors here for Diablo 3. So if I type in Diablo 3 in the search bar, you're going to see this VidIQ thing over here pop up. This is the Chrome extension that I downloaded yesterday. So the search terms Diablo 3, the highest amount of views for right now is 187,000. Average views is 72,000. Average subscribers last 7 days Average age is 6 months. Top creator is Bloodshed. Bloodshed actually live streams on Twitch also. So let's go ahead and check out Bloodshed stuff. Okay, so
What's
now
up, guys? Bloodshed here.
Let's go ahead and pause this video. So this is Bloodshed's video or videos in YouTube channel right here. If I go to his video section and I click on any video, so say, let's find a good one here. Diablo 4 World Bosses, 11,000 views. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and pause the video. Over here, above all of my recommended videos to watch, I have my VidIQ extension. If I pull up the VidIQ extension, it's going to tell me a ranking based off of his video. These are also active on my video, but the cool thing is I can scroll down this list and it tells me what he did right and what he did wrong to attract audiences to his channel. So here it says his title's good. He doesn't have very many tags set for this video. The description's good. He does have a card. It has 3. He has 3 cards on his channel. I'm pretty sure you can have up to 5. He does have in-screen videos. So these are in-screen videos are recommended videos that pop up at the end of your video. I can make a separate thing on that, on exactly what the things you want to go through whenever you upload a video. All you have to do is just comment, let me know you guys want to see it. We can go through that. He did share it on Facebook. Apparently he didn't share it on Twitter. It was made public. He pinned a comment and he didn't heart a comment. So he didn't actually like a comment. So down here, as you scroll farther, you're going to see his channel listings here. He has 102,000 subscribers. Okay. Total views, 29,000, or that's 29.2 million views on his channel. So his video tags here, as you can see up here, his video tags were actually too short. These are the video tags he used to list this video. Now, Bloodshed's already an established YouTuber, and he's an established Twitch streamer in general anyway. So obviously he's going to tag himself inside of his videos for anybody that searches him in general. So he tagged YouTube, Twitch, Diablo 4 World Bosses, different mechanics discussion, it looks like. So here he's just talking about Diablo 4, but he could have a lot more tags than this thing to get the algorithm to kick into place his recommended videos for the things that he's doing. So under the topics, he has action game, role-playing game, video game culture. These are his channel tags: Diablo 3, Diablo D3, Diablo 3 Reaper of Souls, Bloodshed, Diablo Guide, Diablo, I think that's supposed to be Diablo 1. He's actually missing an O on there. So yeah, these are his channel tags. I can see exactly what he's doing. And if I go back to my channel, I can see what I'm doing better than my competitors. So here, I do have all of my stuff here listed. Like in my description, I have a previous video here for a Barbarian build guide. I do have to follow my stream. It's Brew21908 on Twitch, Brew21908 on Twitter, merchandise store, my crew. Here I set my hashtags at the bottom so they show up at the top of my video, above my title. At the end of each one of your descriptions, if you put hashtags in, it'll actually show up in your videos. So if I find that video, this would be Can Ice Cube. This is the recent video. I'm going to go ahead and pause it here. These are the hashtags that I set in my description. People can search those. So set hashtags. You're allowed to have three per video. So make sure that you set 3 per video. Just all you have to do is just put them in the bottom of your description. Make sure you put spaces in between the way they're supposed to. You also always want to make sure you upload a custom thumbnail, something that grabs attention. I set tags, a lot of tags that has to do with Diablo, because I'm going over Diablo 4. Eventually I'll be streaming Diablo 4, making videos in Diablo 4. It is a guide and walkthrough. Diablo 3, Season 19, gear, blood shards, because I do talk about how to spin blood shards for each class. There's a classes listed here. I do go over how to reroll everything for Diablo. If I scroll down because of the VidIQ extension, you're going to see a couple more things. It gives me recommended tags based off of search engines. So the search engines right now for Diablo is Diablo 4. It's hot, obviously. So 62.5 click rate, for Diablo 4 if I set that Diablo 4 tag. All I have to do is click it. It'll set the tag for me. Blizzard Entertainment, 39% click rate. I obviously want to set Blizzard Entertainment because Diablo is a Blizzard game. Blizzard, same exact thing. Over here, I actually did set Rax as one of my top competitors for Diablo videos. The Chrome extension actually adds that, and you can see one of his recent videos in the tags that he used. You can actually add his tags from here. Normally, you can't see other videos' tags. You have to have an extension for that. So, yeah, guys, there's a couple hidden settings that I didn't know existed. I use them now. It's pretty incredible. So without further ado, guys, again, if you want to see more YouTube how-to videos on exactly how to grow a live stream or grow your YouTube in general, if you like the video, go ahead and hit it with a like. If you want to subscribe, there's going to be a lot more videos based off of YouTube content in general, a lot of gaming videos, things that I put up just from regular gameplays. And as always, you can find me on social media. It's Pro21908 on every social platform. You can also find me on Twitch. I do live stream, like I said at the beginning of the video, Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, usually sometime after 5 p.m. Eastern time. So as always, guys, have a nice day. We're going to be making more of these videos in the future.